Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I am doing a little different. Many people ask me that why I don't talk in my video. Actually, I don't like to talk. So I am using a new software. Hope you will enjoy my video. Let's start the video. Already there was a video about how to make laser security circuit. You can see that link in description. But many people cannot make that circuit. So I find a new software which can make your phone like laser security. First, go to Play Store. Then search Lux Meter Sensor with Alarm. Download it. I have already downloaded it. Open the app. Find out where is the light sensor in your mobile. You need to hide the sensor from other lights. For this, I am using this. You need a laser light. Adjust your minimum with your laser. Make sure your laser beam directly fill on your mobile's light sensor. It's done. Do you think this voice same to Baymax? Hi, I am Baymax. Let me know. Comment below. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.